Okay guys, so today we are doing the wolf cut and I'm going to show you exactly how to do it at home. First, comb your hair until it's completely smooth and tangle-free. Now bring all of your hair forward over your face. Make sure every strand is gathered together and held tightly in one section. Next, decide how long you want your shortest layer to be. Hold the hair firmly between your fingers and make one straight cut across the bottom. Don't worry if it looks blunt at first, that's exactly how it's supposed to look. Now for the secret step. Instead of leaving the ends straight, turn your scissors upward and make small vertical snips all across the cut edge. This point cutting technique removes the heavy line and creates soft, feathered layers that blend naturally into the rest of your hair. Continue making tiny snips until the ends feel light and textured. Take your time and only remove a little hair with each cut. Once you're finished, let your hair fall naturally and style it. You'll instantly notice soft face framing layers with that trendy Korean wolf cut look. If you're trying this at home, remember to trim slowly because you can always cut more, but you can't put the hair back. Like, subscribe, and follow for more easy hair tutorials.